Welcome back to the house. It is me, Packy, versus challenger Brent Bowers and USBC Open Championship Eagle winner and previous on the channel, the house toe. We are here at the National Bowling Stadium playing a game called Strike or Die. Just like a cat has 9 lives, so do we. So the first one to miss 9 times loses. Let's play some rock, paper, scissors up there and we'll get started with the game. Since this is Strike or Die, so let's play a game of rock, paper, scissors. We'll decide who goes first. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Snip! You go first. Good luck and high scoring. Or should I say, good luck and lots of misses. Man, you're lucky. You're lucky I don't have my bowling ball to drop in your backswing this time. Still got it.
3 sportsmanship awards in my life.
You've won sportsmanship awards?
I think they were popularity awards, but in youth bowling, of course. They don't do it in adult bowling.
They actually do it in adult bowling. They're all gonna strike this game. Put them on the house shot. Ooh! 5 strikes is gonna be a tall task.
I've missed once. You've missed
none.
Got a tight 3 pin here. Get the turn.
That's a tough start for you. It's gonna be a short video if he keeps that up.
You are the professional.
That is what they say. They call me the pro.
I gave him too early.
Yeah.
Got a rain delay here.
It is weird how that happens. Like sometimes it does that and sometimes it doesn't. Do you know why the reasoning is?
No, I don't.
Like sometimes it just sweeps it out right away and sometimes it makes it do it again.
Yeah. Beyond my pay grade. Chance. Ball's supposed to touch that pin.
The 10?
The 9. The 9er.
9.
You breathe in or out on your first step?
I hold my breath the whole time on the approach.
That explains a lot.
I'm not gonna lie, that was very distracting. It came across in front of my body as I was
I
bowling.
have no idea. Did that fall out from the ceiling?
I want a chance to make this first strike.
No, sorry. This is a strike or die game. Not pick up your splits. Push.
Ball is supposed to touch that pin.
Historically, I don't like to hook it, but
You're at 3 misses. I'm at 1 miss. I should have a couple more strikes here. I feel like if I strike 3 more times, you're going to be out by the time it comes back around on my turn. It's literally terrifying when that happens. You're lucky I don't have my bowling ball to drop in your backswing this time.
what, I missed 3 times?
You missed 3, I've missed twice.
Okay.
We've thrown about 5 shots apiece.
Good.
No, I think we've thrown 4 apiece.
Good round.
Woo! All right. Well, you have 4 and I have 2 already. I need to focus. That is. Are they sure they put out the house shot for this? Are you? You're not giving me a chance to make this one too?
I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do.
I got 3 misses. You got 4, and we've thrown 6 shots apiece.
I don't stone 9 pins ever. Get around earlier.
This is a display of high quality bowling.
I've lost track of the amount of misses.
You have 5 misses. I have 3. You dropped the ball in 1. You threw the powder in front of my face, and then I just missed.
Don't talk about just what I've done. I believe I was provoked.
I haven't. To be fair, I haven't done a single thing wrong in this whole video. You're lucky I don't have my bowling ball to drop in your backswing this time. No distractions. Foul lights are off. Maybe I'll move, I think. All right, quick little break in the action halfway through. Huge shout out to Reno, Tahoe, and the National Bowling Stadium for sponsoring this video, giving us the facility and the opportunity to come out and film, in my opinion, one of, if not the greatest bowling stadium on earth. So shout out to them. Huge thank you for their support, and Don't forget, check in later for more videos from the National Bowling Stadium just like this one. I felt better. This is a battle of the same type of bowling ball. My purple hammer reactive to your IQ.
I'm gonna get back right a little bit. Golly! It's almost like I'm only good at North Rock.
You're about as sharp as the lacrosse ball in my bag.
Yeah, sharp spoon. Sure.
So you got, how many strikes you got? 6? Or how many misses you got? 6 at this point? Woo!
Yeah, 6 out of the 7 attempts, I think.
6 out of 7. I'm currently 3 misses out of 7 shots.
My team's gonna watch this, and I'm gonna need a new team for the Open.
Look. No! Yeah, you might have to find a new USBC Open Championships team.
Maybe it's time for a ball change.
They're watching you at the stadium house shot.
Yeah, I'm gonna get away from that OB.
You need that pink 14-pounder over there?
Oh, it's left a hair. And the juice.
Are you sure you don't need that pink 14-pounder over there?
You're up.
You have 6 misses to my 3.
Yeah. Yeah.
I have to remember, so I have to keep saying it because it's a lot of misses.
Something wrong with that head pin?
Mine?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it's going to strike.
Not that ball.
Actually? Oh!
I got 6 and you're
6'4", that's my height.
It's to be expected, really.
You'd have 7
Nobody
misses.
watching at home that is expecting me to win this.
I should win this every time. The pressure's on, I'm not going to lie. I don't know where these things come from. It's like they just fly across the approach as I'm going. Something wrong with those pins?
Give me a chance.
Such focus on that guy. There's so much.
I thought it was a white flag. I thought you were giving up.
Oh, no. Yellow
You
flag.
were throwing in the towel?
Yellow flag. I don't know why yellow.
Shocker colors.
Black and yellow.
Yeah.
Hook. Oh.
You're saying as long as I keep striking, I can't lose.
If you don't miss again, you cannot lose. You have 7 misses. You need 2 more misses to lose, or 5 more misses of mine before you miss again.
A little left, but it might be okay.
Oh.
Hopefully we're not zooming in on the targets here, right? It's a bit of a spray nozzle.
You call it a spray nozzle. I call it a high-powered sprinkler system. You came over and retrieved it.
What's the average ticket at Ichiban? Ichiban, is that how they go by?
It is Ichiban.
Ichabod?
All I know is I got to miss about 18 more times before you...
Have you missed? You've missed.
I missed 4 times.
Have I missed 8 times now?
Yeah. Brent needs a run.
Yeah.
It's looking bleak.
Close your eyes just for one time. Just once.
I don't know if you can see it in that camera, but these eyes were dead shut the whole time. They were completely shut.
All right,
Here, you know what? Here, try this out. For this one shot.
I'm in sudden death mode.
Yeah, no, just for this one shot. If you want, I'll let you add 1 pin.
Oh, shut up. I'm not taking your handicap.
Handicap makes the sport of bowling fair.
Come on. Just stay in your lane. Focus on your process. Let the guy on the other side of the ball return do what he's going to do.
What is your process? Mine?
Well,
Wipe the ball off 2 shots?
I don't know if we're going by time or if we're going shot for shot, but if you're not going to bowl, I'm going to go.
We're going shot for shot. Also, you can't rush me. I'll go as slow as I want. I'm gonna stay ahead of the move an extra 2 just for you, just in case this thing drags out longer than it should. Oh my God, what is that? What's happening down lane? Oh, I can't miss.
My peer's back there trying to help me out.
This whole bowling stadium is completely empty, 78 lanes. Yeah. And the second I go to throw it,
my buddy John Morris in the back's dropping pins.
He's banging pins around the back to distract. I swear, he made a phone call before this video, I swear.
It's not as bad this time, but it was.
hook.
I came all the way to Reno to do this, but I'm having fun.
And that's what bowling's about. That was 9 misses, and just for the nail in the coffin, this one's for you, okay? This one's for you.
It only counts if you go Brooklyn.
Hey, well,
I'm hungry.
and I'm hungry for my free meal at Ichiban. Well, that free meal at Ichiban tonight is gonna taste twice as good. Why? Because it's with his money. All right, well, thank you guys for watching this video. We appreciate you squeezing the poop out of my hand. But yeah, we appreciate you guys watching. Thank you for following along. As always, don't forget, click subscribe down below and follow Reno Events for your current fun things to do in the city of Reno. We are gonna go to Ichiban tonight, and then we're gonna follow up and hit Topgolf later on, so at the Silver Legacy. So we can't wait to see you out here during the USBC Open Championships. Don't forget, you can there's still time to enter, right?
Yep, bowl.com, get it signed up.
All right, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.